Have you ever wondered how much we actually know about the universe beyond our solar system? Well, let's talk about the Kepler Telescope, a real game changer in our understanding of the cosmos. Launched into the star-studded expanse back in 2009, this marvel of technology embarked on a primary mission like no other: to discover Earth-like planets orbiting other stars. Kepler's contribution to space exploration has been nothing short of revolutionary. It's like a celestial detective, tirelessly searching the night sky, hunting for these elusive exoplanets. This isn't just about finding new stars, folks. It's about the possibility of other Earths, other places in the universe where life as we know it could exist. Kepler has truly opened a new chapter in our quest to understand the universe, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and challenging our perceptions of our place in the cosmos. Now let's delve into the top 5 major discoveries made by this game changer. Our first stop is the discovery of Kepler 10b. In 2011, the Kepler Telescope gifted us with the first confirmed detection of a rocky planet outside our solar system. Named Kepler 10b, this exoplanet is about 1.4 times the size of Earth, with scorching temperatures that could melt iron. This significant discovery meant a lot, as it challenged our understanding of planetary formation and composition. It hinted at the vast diversity of planets in our universe. This opened the door to the possibility of finding more rocky planets like Earth. Next on the list is Kepler 22b. Unveiled to the world in 2011, this celestial marvel was the first planet the Kepler Telescope spotted in the habitable zone, a region where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist. Kepler 22b is about twice the size of Earth, and its possible climate has sparked imaginations worldwide. The implications of this discovery are far-reaching, for it suggests that there may be more Earth-like planets in our universe waiting to be found. This discovery brought us one step closer to finding a second Earth. Moving on, let's talk about Kepler 62f. Discovered in 2013, this exoplanet garnered attention for its uncanny Earth-like qualities. In terms of size and probable temperature, it's one of the most similar to our home planet. It's located about 1,200 light-years away, a considerable distance, but its potential for life is what truly captivates us. Could there be organisms out there experiencing an existence parallel to ours? With this discovery, the idea of finding life elsewhere in the universe became a little more real. Now, let's venture to Kepler 186f. In the year 2014, Kepler Telescope made a groundbreaking discovery: Kepler 186f, the first Earth-sized planet found to be resting comfortably in the habitable zone of its star. This, my friends, is where it gets really intriguing. Kepler 186f is roughly 10% larger than Earth and orbits its star at a distance that could potentially allow for liquid water to exist on its surface, a key ingredient for life as we know it. But here's the catch. Its star is a red dwarf, far cooler and less luminous than our Sun. This means that despite being in the habitable zone, the surface of Kepler 186f might receive less than a third of the sunlight we get on Earth. But don't let that dim your excitement. This discovery redefined the boundaries of where life as we know it could exist. It opened up a world of possibilities literally in our search for extraterrestrial life. Last, but certainly not least, we have Kepler 452b. This remarkable planet was discovered in the year 2015 and is often dubbed as the most Earth-like planet yet discovered. What makes Kepler 452b so special, you ask? Well, it's all about its size, the habitable zone it resides in, and the star it orbits. Kepler 452b is only about 60% larger than Earth. This planet is found in the habitable zone, often referred to as the Goldilocks zone. This is the region around a star where conditions could be just right, not too hot, not too cold, for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface, a key ingredient for life as we know it. Moreover, the star that Kepler 452b orbits is very similar to our own Sun. This, combined with the planet's Earth-like characteristics, fuels the tantalizing possibility that it could potentially host life. This discovery brings us closer than ever to finding a true Earth twin. So, there you have it. Our understanding of the cosmos has been revolutionized by these 5 groundbreaking discoveries made by the Kepler Telescope. Each revelation from Kepler 10b to Kepler 452b has reshaped our perception of the universe and our place within it. As we continue to uncover the mysteries of the cosmos, one exoplanet at a time, we're inching closer to an answer to the age-old question: Remember, every new exoplanet discovered brings us one step closer to answering the question, are we alone in the universe?